wabarakatuh. My name is Umi Umaira binti Muhammad Johan. I am from Cel 2102, Group 56. Now I'm recording myself for a project 2 that requires me to watch a video entitled Joshua Allen Harris Inflatable Big Monsters. And the project asked me to answer several questions that have been provided. Okay, for the first questions, do you think this type of art has a message or is it merely a work of art? Okay, from my point of view, I think there is a message hidden behind his own art. Personally, I think if he actually promotes green art, where he only use tape, disposable plastic grocery bags, trash bags. It's like a trash on the street. Like he said, it's like a magic. It's part of magic. His art becomes alive and animated when the subway passes by at the basement. It actually pushes air up through the grating and making his monsters become alive. And actually, like a real monster roar, and it attracts a lot of people. He actually inspires people, the pedestrians that passes by the streets, looking at his mesmerizing creations. And I think he actually indirectly shows his concern towards the recycling of goods such as plastics, because people are not aware of this because we are not being exposed. So he convey his concern through his art. And one more thing about the polar bear, I think the polar bear have linked to the global warming that had happened a few decades ago. Actually, the air represents the ice. When there is air, there is ice. The polar bear are still alive. But when there is no air, which simply means there is no ice, because of the global warming, the ice will be melted. So the polar bear loses its shelter, and they can be extinct eventually. So we are not going to see this happen because the polar bear is very cute. Right? For the next questions, what are some of the challenges in creating the artwork? Often parents, friends, and also family members are discouraging people want to give full-time pursuit of art, because art requires one to sacrifice a lot of time and effort. They cannot be distracted. They have to give a full commitment into it. And also another challenge that I think is the material sometimes are hard to be found, and it is very costly. So the artist have to find another job to find money to create his own art. Okay, for the last question, what are the everyday objects can be used to create artworks? Provide 2 examples. Okay, I will give boxes and also straws, because I think although straws are like trash, when after we use it, we usually throw it into dustbin, but it actually can form a kind of art like a bridge. And also boxes actually have a very useful thing to be done. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.